In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a stroke on just one side of a shape in Figma using a simple workaround. To get started, select the shape you want to edit. Instead of using the standard stroke setting, which applies a stroke to all sides, we'll use an effect to create a single side stroke. With the shape selected, go to the Effects section in the right-hand panel and click the plus icon. Choose Drop Shadow from the list of effects. Next, set the blur value to 0 so the shadow appears sharp, like a stroke. Then, adjust the X and Y values to position the effect on the side you want. Use a positive X value for the right side, a negative X value for the left side, a negative Y value for the top, or a positive Y value for the bottom. You can also customize the color and thickness of the effect to match your design. Once you're happy with the result, your shape will appear to have a stroke on only one side. And that's it. You've successfully created an individual stroke on one side of a shape in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.